Welcome to our channel. Today we how to plan financial success over decades, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by setting clear financial goals for the short term, medium term, and long term. Identify specific monetary targets you hope to achieve within these time frames. Research and understand your current financial situation by evaluating your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Create a detailed budget that outlines your monthly spending and savings. Prioritize saving by establishing an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Start a retirement savings plan early, taking advantage of employer-sponsored plans and tax-advantaged accounts. Diversify your investments by exploring a mix of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds suited to your risk tolerance. Regularly review and adjust your investment portfolio to align with your financial goals and market conditions. Educate yourself continuously about personal finance topics, including investing, tax strategies, and financial planning. Consider seeking guidance from a certified financial planner to help navigate complex financial decisions. Monitor your progress by regularly assessing your financial goals and adjusting your plans as necessary. Stay disciplined and avoid impulsive financial decisions that could derail your long-term success. Make it a practice to revisit your financial plan annually, ensuring it reflects any life changes or adjustments in your goals. Utilize technology by employing budgeting apps and investment platforms for easier management of your finances. Network with like-minded individuals to share insights and experiences about achieving financial success. Commit to lifelong learning and adapting to changing financial landscapes to secure your future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.